There are so many ideas out there about what makes UCLA great. One thing's for sure, the teaching, research, innovation, and progress that UCLA is known for it doesn't just happen. It really takes people who care about our university. You can see this everywhere. But who is this key to UCLA's success and future? Let's take it to people, see what they have to say. I've never been in it before. Excuse me, do you know so much of the economy is driven by the teaching, research, and innovation that happen here at UCLA? Did you know that? But would you say there's one person who helps provide scholarship so the best students can come here and learn and contribute, and someone who helps bring the best faculty in the world to come teach and do research here? Excuse me, I'm sorry to interrupt you. Yes, thank you. You must be graduate students? Wait, you're involved with this level of research as undergrad students? But that's not common at any other university, neither is having this type of equipment. So let me ask you, who is the key to all of this?